Hey everyone, if you have been using the Deepseek app and you have just recently did some research on it and now don't know how to start a new chat, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a new chat in the Deepseek app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the previous chat that I have did in the Deepseek app. Now to start a new chat, you can simply tap on to new chat just right here at the bottom, and you can simply tap on it. And if you couldn't find it, you can simply tap on to this button at the top right corner just right here. Now tap on to one of these just like this, and now you can see you can start a new chat. Now simply tap on to the chat button and ask your questions just like this, and that's it. This is how you can start a new chat on the Deepseek app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.